bird's name? Parrot. This is a parrot. Crow. This is a crow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is an eagle. Owl. This is an owl. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Peacock. This is a peacock. Hen. This is a hen. Lesson review. Now read one by one. Owl, hen, sparrow, parrot, peacock, eagle, duck, pigeon, and crow. Subscribe us and click on bell button to get every new video. Join us, follow us, like and share us on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, WhatsApp and Instagram. Thanks for watching.